Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and we're here at Aldi to look at their new finds. Oh yes, they have a lot of great finds today and I can't wait to share them with you. So before we get started, if you don't mind, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel. That would really help me out and I do appreciate that. So now let's go. Here we have a 2-pack hair towel or body wrap, and they are $6.99 each. I see it in blue and white, orange and white, and pink. Yes, so this is the body wrap. Really nice. And the head wrap. Nice little gift too. 3-wick candles for $4.49. This one is strawberry shortcake, so I have to smell it. Let me see. It smells great. Love that. Okay, right here is a 14-piece bath rug or shower curtain set for $9.99. So we have it in this pink or rose, blue, gray, and dark blue. 14-piece set, $9.99. We can't beat it. Okay, moving on to the shower bags. They come in 2 different patterns and they're only $3.99. So these are the 2 patterns and I absolutely love those. Right here are the waffle towel sets for $12.99. This is really nice, guys, and they are really thick. Oh my goodness, I think I gotta get one of those today. Pack cooling towels. So it's easy to use, multi-purpose, chemical-free cooling. Yes, you get 2 per pack for $4.99. It comes in different colors. So this pack is blue, green, and pink. There's a green and purple. Then there's an orange and blue. And a gray and black. Yeah, $4.99. Now this has a few items here today that are wonderful. And so we're gonna go through all of those at once. First, we're gonna look at these facial cleanser, electric facial roller, facial exfoliator, and hair remover. So this one is the hair remover and they're cute. Has a little gold accents on them. Yeah. Facial roller, the cleaner cool air dual stylers right here in black and white. They also have the hair straighteners for $14.99. So both of these are $14.99. The facial tools, they are $7.99. And down here are the brushes, hair brushes and combs. They are $1.99 each. They come in purple, pink, green, and blue. Oh yeah, really nice. So right here are the hair dryers and they are $14.99. They are the compact ionic blow dryer. Yes, and they come in black and white. Yes, $14.99, guys. Great deal. And over here, I think the last thing by this is going to be this electric body brush. It is $14.99. Absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. I love the gold details on this one. So it comes in this rose and the LED letterboard for $9.99. Pillowcase and eye mask. So yes, these are $4.99 and they come in 2 different colors, which is this blue and a rose color. I also have these LED curtain lights for $4.99. They come in the multicolors and the clear. Moving along, right here is this wireless charging clock for $14.99. Oh yeah, perfect size for your cell phone. Just put your cell phone right on top. I love that. Okay, right here is this 8-inch personal fan. It comes in black and white and it is $9.99. The collapsible hampers, they are $6.99. Anything that you can collapse, I love it. So that's the hamper and this is the laundry bag here. There's a side pocket where you can add your detergent or whatever you need to put on the side. I absolutely love that. And these come in gray in both and also cream and black right here. Organizer desk lamp for $12.99. They come in white, gray, and I think that those are going to be the only colors that I see. Oh, I see a black back there. Yes, for $12.99. Complete bed sets for $24.99. I see twin, And I see full. And I see these beautiful patterns here. Really, really nice. Complete bed set. And right here is a collapsible zip storage. It's $6.99. Ideal for clothes, hats, or gloves. Really nice. Right here is the Multipurpose Cubes, and they're only $3.99. So you get this one with the 3 compartments. And they come in different colors. You get this one, and then a little small one that's a 2-pack. Yeah, very versatile. The Pembroke All Occasion cards for $1.49. So they have the happy birthday, party time. Okay, all happy birthday. Yeah, these are birthday cards for $1.49. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle skate park or skater for $19.99. So these are the skateboards in different colors. Ugh. Which one is this? Okay, we have this one. It includes exclusive accessories on this one. And then we have this one that is $9.99. And we have this one that is $14.99. So we come with this one, cute, and this one. We have interlocking foam floor towels. You get four towels, and the sizes are 24 by 24, but I do not see a price in the store. The price will be in the ad that I put up a couple of days ago if you want to refer back to the full ad preview. This trolley is here, and it's only in black, and the weight capacity on it, I think it was like 66 pounds for this trolley. Really nice, really compact, and very affordable. Backrest Pillow for $12.99. I see it in blue, peachy pink, and gray. The squatting stools come in black and gray for $9.99. And the folding tables, they are $9.99. I think these tables are going to come in black with the black legs with the brown and black top. Really nice. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pillow pad for $16.99. Oh, so cute. Cooler bags, they're $9.99. They have these pretty different patterns. We have this color, this one, and this one. The duffel bags, the rolling duffel bags, they're $19.99. Really nice. The green multicolor here. This green and white. Yeah, $19.99. Can't beat it, guys. The Royal Plush throw, they are $7.99. So many beautiful colors. Oh, yeah. And they are so soft. Hot to carry jars. You get 3 for $6.99. Yes. Square Pebble shower mat for $4.99, guys. Oh my goodness. You can rack up in here, guys, especially for the college kids. I see a lot of items that's going to be great for dorm life and, you know, essentials for college students. This is the week to just stock up, and I tell you, I am excited. So yes, they have this color, the clear, and the black for $4.99. 3-gallon waste basket for only $2.99, guys. Now right here is the shower curtain liner for $6.99. Yes, so they have clear and white and a gray. 3 different colors, clear, white, and gray. Only $6.99. Bags has been here for a while, so I think it may be a weekly thing here now at Aldi. These Aldi bags for $7.99, and they have them in this color or pattern and that one. Bolster pillows, $12.99. So it's in that pink, that color, this color, the gray, and a couple of patterns here. Okay, and then we have this plush or Berber rug. Yes, it's a 5x7 for $24.99. This decorative area rug right here is $29.99. This is a shag rug. So it comes in this dark blue, light blue, and that cream or tan. Okay, now it's time for me to do my walk bag. My favorite is going to be this trolley. I'm not sure of the price on the trolley, but I absolutely love this small compact trolley. Weight capacity 68 pounds. Love this. Multipurpose cubes for $3.99. Love those. The collapsible zip storage $6.99. Yes. I like this desk lamp for $12.99. The collapsible hamper $6.99. Oh yes. The apothecary jars, you get 3 for $6.99. All of Visage hair tools and facial tools, love those. The waffle bath towel set is $12.99. Oh my goodness, the 2-pack hair towel or body wrap, yes and yes. So those are my picks for this week, and yes, I think the weeks are getting better and better, guys. And I have to add this rolling duffel bag for $19.99. That's one of my picks too. I kind of overlooked that one. But yes, that's it for today, guys. So thank you all so very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.